Uy, si Crush! Wow! 550 lang? Mararating mo na ang Pandin Lake. May pagkain ka na, may bamboo raft ride ka pa, plus may mga activities pa and more. Saan ka pa? Halika na sa Pandin Lake. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, sulit pa din.
Find love, lose stress, and laugh along the way at Pandin Lake.
For more info, you can visit their Facebook page, Pandin Lake Tourist Cooperative.